What is going on, guys? It's Ernesto here with Itzcat Construction, and guys, we have Nick with Fresco Harmony, and I decided I wanted to do some plastering in my walls, but Nick introduced us to this new product that he created, which is called Fresco Harmony. So if you could please explain to them, Nick, how it's created and everything, man.
Absolutely. So they want specialty walls. What Fresco Harmony is the world's first color line designed specifically to be mixed in with one box or unit of all-purpose regular joint compound. We're using Westpak here today. Westpak works fine. And the beauty of using an all-purpose joint compound or a ready mix is that you get perfect color consistency from batch to batch. It keeps. We went right over existing painted texture, huge advantages, cost advantages, and then there's application system. But basically what we used today was Galtero steel. This is a double color pack. This mixes with one box of mud. You do a base coat, a second coat, and then you do a sealer, and we have gloss and satin. And this will go on last. It's thick like yogurt, and this gets troweled on as well. That's kind of a quick summary.
Perfect. Yes, we did a black one because, as you guys know, I like black and white, so we're gonna go with that. And then we already did the first coat. Tomorrow we'll do the second coat and then the seal it, right?
Yeah, it's cool. These guys are close, so I was able to drive up from Albuquerque. I think we just kind of started talking online. I was like, oh, you're in Montrose. Like, I'd take a spontaneous trip up to Colorado and say hi, and you were doing this. I was like, oh, I'll just drive up, we'll do a wall, no biggie. So I think the big thing is just showing you guys how easy it is. I think it's sometimes, especially me and drywallers, it's like you got to see it. You have to put it on, you have to feel it. We're very visual learners.
Yes. So you created this in Crested Butte.
Yeah, it originated in Crested Butte, but I really fleshed it out. The sealer, this took a long time. This has been out for maybe 6 or 7 years. So 18 years ago, like a long time. Long time. I did some of the first walls in Crested Butte, and then I moved to Albuquerque, and I was doing walls for maybe 12 years before the product actually even came out. So the product's been out for almost 10 years now. And so, long time.
Yeah. So are you able to do like would you be able to do, let's say for example, you went to Home Depot, Lowe's or whatever, and
sure.
you pick
so you would go to your local distributor if they carry Fresco Harmony, and you give them a color swatch and be like, Nick, I want this in Fresco Harmony. And if I can't get it, I'll let Nick know. But then there's a charge for a custom color. With the custom color, you get one of those. That's what those smaller sample boards are. Those are custom colors. I'll make the custom color, match it to the swatch, Benjamin Moore or Sherwin-Williams, generally. I think it's 150 bucks or something like that for the custom color, but you also get a color pack. Perfect. And then you can do a little bit or whatever, and then you can order more after that.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So there it is, guys.